Hello again. Dirt Road FPV for life here. Just wanted to get you a little update on my Beta 75 Pro 2. You can see it doesn't look stock anymore. I did some modifications, lightened it up a little bit, put a 200 milliwatt VTX in it, and flies faster and has better video and has a much better camera than the stock one. So let's go ahead and weigh it and then I'll tell you about it. So make sure we're zeroed here. Coming in at 27.4 grams, which is 1 gram lighter than it came to me from the factory. I'm running the GNB 260 milliamp hour batteries. So let's see, put those on there. You're going to end up at, oh, make sure the wire. Try that again. Put one there. All at weight of 41.5 grams with batteries. Again, that was 27.48 without the batteries dry. So, tell you what I did. First thing I did was I took and found the Gem Fan 3-blade 1mm hole props, put them on there. They are super quiet, more efficient, and I believe faster than the way it came. They seem to be a lot smoother. I also got the Wolf Whoop Q5 VTX with smart audio. It has pit mode, 25, 50, 100, and 200 milliwatt selectable VTX. Wired it in there. I went through my parts bin and found a a BI camera that came on one of my newbie drones that no longer has a flight controller, so it was just sitting in a parts bin. Wired it all up, came in a gram lighter. It's much faster, in my opinion, much more durable. This is much more durable than the Beta FPV canopy, and to boot I have 200 milliwatt VTX. So there you have it. There's my Beta 75 Pro 2 with modifications. Let's go see how it flies.